Snapbots.
Hi guys, my name is Snapbots. In this video, I will show you each report function on Snapbots wallet. And also show you how to check your weekly reward on report tabs. Firstly, you log into Snapbots account. On the left, you will see report tabs and now you click it. There are several report types we will quickly go through one by one. The first one is the deposit report. On the top, you can select the date and withdrawal types if it's internal or external, and also deposit history you can check here. The second one is the withdrawal report. On this page, you can check all history of withdrawal. Next one is reward report. When the reward is distributed, you will be able to check all details here. You will see which date you got those rewards and also what types of rewards, if it's from trading or it's from affiliate and ambassador programs. The next one is the swap report. Swap in Snap Wallet means conversions. For example, you change Bitcoin to Snap Coin, that changes we call it as swap. In the swap report, you can see all those swap coins history. The next one is the balance report. In this report, it will show all balance history and currently how much you are holding. The last one is staking. In Snapbots wallet, you can choose different types of strategies and all rewards from the staking program will be showing here. There is a more detailed video about staking, so if you would like to know more in detail you can check it out. See you on the next videos.